Hi guys, this is Sushmita, your very own crypto guide, and today I'll be talking about AML. Anti-money laundering or AML is a broad term for laws and regulation put in place to prevent criminals from making money illegally or moving illicit funds. While many illegal activities are targeted by AML laws, some of the most important are tax evasion, public corruption, and market manipulation through methods such as wash trading. Many governmental institutions and pieces of legislation play roles in establishing AML requirements. In India, agencies like Enforcement Directorate and Financial Intelligence Unit safeguards the provisions and public interest to prohibit money laundering. There are always directives for broker-dealers and future commission merchants to set AML standards. Laws that have contributed to anti-money laundering requirements in India include the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 and Prevention of Money Laundering, Maintenance and Records 2005. Owing to the complexity of the relevant laws, many financial institutions use AML software to detect questionable activity. These software solutions perform functions that ranges from checking customer names against government list of prohibited users to generating records that are necessary for maintaining compliance. AML is tightly linked to Know Your Customer or KYC requirements, which essentially involve verifying customers' identities and source of their income. KYC also requires financial institutions to monitor their users' activity on an ongoing basis. So this was all about AML. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.